Alright, so I received my package today from Amazon. And look what we got today. Finally got our megaphone. And got my Amazon Astro AI phone cannon. So we're gonna unbox this, take it out, see what it looks like, have it put together, see what we got going on. I heard really good reviews about the Adam's megaphone, so let's see what we got here. So it comes disassembled. So we have our tank with a wide neck, graduated cylinder. Also has our pickup tube with a small soap filter. Very thick bottle. Feels good. It's labeled. Yeah. That's it. We also have the cannon section. Oh, it feels very good. It has some pretty good weight to it. Oh man, I really like the quality of this. It feels very sturdy. It's definitely adjustable. Adjustable spray pattern and adjustable fan pattern. Let's see what else we have. Instruction manual. Typical warning, dimensions, usage instructions, all that good stuff. They also have a thank you card. That's a really nice touch. Get them a QR code, questions, concerns. It's in like 8 languages. That's pretty good. So far so good. I really like this. Like what I see so far. Just basic warnings. I like this box also. But for $40, it doesn't seem like a bad deal. So, my next video, I will be showing you how not only does the foam cannon foam, but also how the Adam's megaphone work from the sprayer. So, stay tuned for that. I really like the construction. It's all brass, with stainless steel, 1/4 inch connection. And it does have, I don't know if you can see that or not. No, you can't really see that. But it does have an adjustable orifice, so you can upgrade to the 1.1 orifice or the 1.25. I'm not sure if it has the 1.1 or the 1.25 from the factory, but I'll definitely give it a go. Yep. Adjustment knob feels really good, really tight. I'm actually really impressed with the price. I'm really impressed. So, let's go try it out.